Hello everyone, great to have your company here on Kalkine TV. I'm Rachel and you're watching the Buzzing Trends Show. Now, Australian shares regained after opening on a red note. The S&P ASX 200 is up currently today, gaining 19.9 points or 0.3% so far. 6 of 11 sectors are higher along with the S&P ASX 200 index. Energy is the best performing sector so far today, gaining 1.67%. Now on that note, let's take a look at the performance of ASX listed blue chip stocks: Woodside Petroleum, Santos, Washington H. Soul Pattinson and Origin Energy. First on the list is Woodside Energy Group, an energy sector company with a global presence with oil and gas assets. Its shares are trading at $32.17, up by 2.91% this morning. This year, the company was in the news for its merger with BHP Group's petroleum division. Though today Woodside has not issued any announcements on the exchange, the share price has still climbed. Shares have declined 2.01% monthly and have surged 41.28% in the last 6 months. While on a year-to-date basis, Woodside Energy shares have surged by 41.91%. The company has a market capitalization of $59.35 billion and an annual yield of 5.98%. Next on the list now is Santos. They're known for producing and exploring gas and petroleum. Now, Santos shares traded at $7.60, up by 2.01% today. The shares are rising despite any major announcements. But being in the energy sector and international presence, blue chip stock Santos is often on investors' radars. On a year-to-date basis, shares have surged by 14.98% and 12.09% in the last 6 months. The company has a market cap of $25.08 billion and an annual yield of 2.61%. Third on the list is an Australian-based investment house, Washington H. Soul Pattinson and Company. Their shares traded at $23.78, down by 0.71% today. The shares have declined 6.45% on a monthly basis and have fallen 22.54% in the last 6 months. While on a year-to-date basis, the shares have declined by 23.27%. Washington H. Soul Pattinson and Company has a market cap of $8.64 billion and an annual yield of 2.71%. Now, last on the list is Origin Energy, an integrated energy company engaged in energy retailing, power generation and natural gas production businesses in Australia, New Zealand and internationally. Origin Energy shares traded at $5.78, up by 1.4% today. On a year-to-date basis, the shares have surged by 7.84% and 6.25% in the last 6 months. The company has a market cap of $9.81 billion and an annual yield of 3.5%. Now, Origin Energy's share price seems to be tracking the energy sector trend. Another factor has been recently attracting investors to its shares is the company's efforts to decarbonise its business. Investors are looking to Origin Energy as a stable bet in the green energy space, as it's already a blue chip company. Well, that's all for now, but stay tuned to Kalkine TV for all the latest insights and updates from the market. I'm Rachel, signing off for now.